So over here you can see that I got some sketches right here, random sketches in my Jotboard. So let's say I want to go ahead and erase them. In that case, I can simply go ahead onto the eraser tool right here and start drawing on top of it. And then you can see that they simply get erased right here. Simply go ahead and draw on top of it right here to the portion which you want to erase, and those parts will get erased right here. Apart from that, you can see that there's the text, but if I were to erase it, it does not actually erase. So these are separate elements. So to remove them, I can use the selection tool, click on it, and then press the delete key on my keyboard right here. If you want to go ahead and, let's say for example, clear out everything in the frame, then all you need to do is click on clear frame, and then it asks you whether you want to clear out the entire frame, just like this, and then go ahead and click on clear, and everything in the canvas right there gets removed, as you can see, just like that. So that is how you can go ahead and use the eraser tool and clear out the entire frame and delete out elements from Jotboard. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.